What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Headache, and we back with another banger. Another headache. Yeah. So I'm in the intro in my room right now. I forgot to do it when I was out there with my uncle. But like I said, nonetheless, it's getting done. So stay tuned. Watch me and my uncle have fun on this little boat again. Watch me annoy him some. Since I don't get to see him that much. Boy Headache is out. Ah! There we go. Got us one, y'all. Drop it. We'll be back.
Look at you! Look at my nephew!
Same minnow still. Be back here.
Got it, man.
Bam.
Bam. Oh. Bam, one night. Let me take you up. Grab your line, yeah.
Well, I don't want to grab the line and snap it now. Might not be a good night.
I know I had a hit
minnow too. That's a tank right there. Or crappie too. Boy. And we just said one nothing hitting it this month.
I thought I had a hit.
I had felt him when I moved, but he wasn't hitting it like this. Look at that, girl. I ain't taking them off. Don't even try it.
Hold up, just hold it right there.
Talking clean. We caught a drum just then.
No more.
Damn, the size of that little dude there.
Where you hook him up to? Yeah.
There's a bass.
All right, push that top down.
I think I just had one hitting at me. Yeah, I do. Got one, though.
Got one?
You know that bass that was just up there chasing?
bass?
That's a white bass.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's the what I told you.
I knew I saw something running up chasing them fish. We'll be back, y'all.
Throw that up out the other way. There you go. Hey, 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 hey.
Got one, y'all. Catfish.
Could have been a little bit bigger, good.
No. I'll be back.
Get him.
We good. I gotta get this doggone hook at this nigga, man. He went right to his eye socket.
Get him.
Nigga don't want to come loose. Calm down, Clee. What the world they keep eating these?
Goggle eye.
Bro, these little suckers tearing these minnows up. Seen one of them in a minute.
This should have been a little bit bigger.
Man. What is it? Bass.
Yeah, that's crappie.
That's a bass.
That's a good one too, man.
Oh,
Got it?
you got some. Another bass.
Nice. Good.
Get that girl. Dump it up, y'all. Two big ones. Double up action, Clee.
That's what we're looking for, man.
Man. Yes, sir.
Look at it.
I still got you beat, though.
Yeah, you got to put. You got to put one on.
No.
Leave it after you get the string.
But you said it's going like that.
There might be a couple more there, ain't
Maybe.
there?
It need to be.
They hit at the same time.
Without another, y'all. I ain't putting that one on now. You
No, just wait.
you discontinued me already.
Wait for it. Going back in the water. Look.
That's a bass. Oh no, that's a crappie. That's a nice one too.
Another nice.
Man, come on. About 5, 6 more of them. Peace, I'll be good. Come on. You know you want to hit it already. Come on.
Get him. Get him. He on now.
Got one, y'all.
Told you he was on there. I tell about where the corporate land. See, a crappie ain't gonna run.
You gonna sit there and savor the flavor?
Uh-oh. We found the spot, didn't we? Did we find it?
Pulled out another, y'all. You must have did. I'll take it. We've been looking for it.
Get it,
Oh,
get
yeah,
it.
we found the spot, baby. Oh, this little sucker here. Give me back, y'all. Here, man, was it. Get the pole, get the pole. Get your pole.
I am.
Shaking the branch now.
There you go. Oh,
Why you bumping
oh,
me?
don't catch it.
You done already smacked that mug.
Get back over there where we caught him at.
I'm about don't touch you.
Right there.
Look here, y'all. I already know how it is.
Well, that was a good little deed right there. You getting the hit, you on now. He on now. He begging.
That's a bass, ain't it? Nah, that's one. Lift up. I'm gonna lift down here. There you go.
Damn.
Man, go on up and grab the anchor line. I don't even know why you was doing that. Trying to bend down and grab the line right there. Oh, this dude here. Oh, what we got? Alright, y'all. That's the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, like the video, subscribe if you ain't already. If you didn't like the video, let me know down below why you didn't like it. Help me out. We almost at 500. I appreciate it. We can get to like 2 subscribers off. So, without further ado, your headache is out.